Eagle dream, spiritual meaning of seeing eagle in dream. Eagle dream, eagle is a divine bird in Hinduism. In Hindi the language eagle means Garud, bird. Eagle is a carrier of Lord Vishnu, the Lord of the Creator. Eagle always flies very high in the sky. It is a giant-sized bird and a very strong and powerful bird. It can lift up heavy animals with its wings. Eagle can see very far easily. The bird is popular for its farsightedness. Also, the eagle is an intelligent bird. The history of eagle in Hinduism. The history and mystery of eagle is well known in Hindu scriptures. Eagle was born in Satya Yuga from Saint Kashyap and Vanita. Vanita was one of the daughters of Prajapati. Eagle in Ramayana. In the great religious book Ramayana, eagles played an important role. Eagle fought with Ravan and tried to save goddess Sita from the Ravan, but the eagle fainted and could not save goddess Sita. Eagle told the address of Ravan to Sri Rama to protect goddess Sita from the Ravan. Here, the story of eagle is given in a very short way just to tell the importance of eagle birds in Hinduism. Eagle in Mahabharata. Not only in Ramayana but the history of eagles is given in the Mahabharata epic also. Eagle in both scriptures. Eagle is a popular bird in stories of Bodh. In these stories eagle is famous for their beautiful birds of beautiful wings. Eagle a national bird of the United States. Eagle is the national bird and a national animal of the United States. The purpose of describing the history of eagle is to explain what is deeply present in our culture and environment because all these things deeply influence our subconscious mind and accordingly deep-rooted energy surfaces in our dream. Hence, all these concepts help in dream interpretation. For instance, if a person is a devotee of Lord Vishnu and sees eagle in dream, and feel happy, it means the blessing of Lord Vishnu. If a person who fond of hunting eagle and sees eagle with red eyes in dream it means bad luck. The dream messages don't hunt eagle otherwise you will suffer in the real life. Hence, our mythology, culture, deep-rooted concepts, prejudices, our behavior and environment all impact our dreams and accordingly dream interpretation is done. Common meanings of seeing eagle is discussed here to help you in dream interpretations. Seeing eagle in dream meanings. Eagle in dream meaning. Eagle is a divine bird, hence, dreams of eagle are good. Seeing eagle in dream means happiness and prosperity all around you. It means all your wishes will be fulfilled soon and all the obstacles of your life will be disappeared now. White eagle dream meaning. Seeing a white eagle in a dream is an auspicious dream. It means the blessing of Lord Vishnu. Your problems will be removed now. You will get peace in life. The dream also is an indication of spiritual progress. Bald eagle dream meaning. Bald eagle is a national bird of the United States. Seeing a bald eagle in a dream is good. Eagle is popular for its beautiful and strong wings, intelligence, farsightedness and divinity. Seeing a bald eagle means a good life ahead. It means you will get the name, fame and power in your life. Eagle eggs dream meaning. Seeing the eggs of an eagle in a dream is a warning dream. It means you may face some small problems in life. But with your intelligence and farsightedness you will overcome all the obstacles of life. Golden eagle dream meaning. A golden eagle means a divine dream. It means God is with you. It is a blessing of Lord Vishnu on you. Now you will get what you wish. Baby eagle dream meaning. Seeing a baby eagle in a dream is a warning dream for you. It means you should work hard in life. You have all the good qualities, but you are not using all your qualities. You are intelligent but never use your intelligence in life. The message is here to be bold, confident and intelligent to successful in life. Eagles fight in dreams. Seeing two eagles fighting together in dream means that your life is not a bed of roses. You should work hard to be successful in life. If you are in rest, the dream warns you don't be in rest, do work hard. Flying eagle dream meaning. Seeing an eagle flying in a dream is good. It means good luck. You will get money and wealth. Seeing an eagle seated at height in a dream. If you see an eagle seated at height is auspicious for you. It means you will get name and fame both in life. Now, time comes when you can touch the sky. It also means that there is no difficulty in your life. You should feel comfortable now. You are free from all kinds of problems. If you are involved in spiritual practices and see such dream, it means soon you will touch the height of spirituality. Your spiritual progress is good, and you will get what you wish. Eagle resting in nest in dream. Seeing an eagle doing rest in its nest means your life is a bed of roses. You don't need to take stress in life. Everything what you need you will get without any kind of hard work. The dream is good for you. Eagle sitting at ground in dream. If you see an eagle sitting at ground in dream, it means you fall down in life. You will get some bad news related to your business, job, etc. If you see such dream, visit any Lord Vishnu temple and ask to get help from the God to overcome all the problems.